LeBron, Raymond, James is back. Pistons win 11 straight and Luka Doncic should still be your MVP so far. 6 games today in the NBA and here are the results of all the games. Magic beat the Warriors 121-113. Desmond Bane with 23 points, 6 rebounds, 5 assists, and 5 steals. He becomes the first Magic guard since Jameer Nelson in 2009 to have those stats. Overall, this was a good Magic team win. Anthony Black had a good game scoring 21 points, 4 rebounds, and 2 assists off the bench. And Wendell Carter had a 17-12 game. Warriors on the other hand, Jimmy Butler had 33, 7, and 4 and was hard carrying the Warriors in the 4th quarter. Curry had 34, 3, and 9. Celtics beat the Nets 113-99. Jaylen Brown with 29, 4, and 4. And Peyton Pritchard with 22, 10, and 5. Pistons beat the Hawks 120-112. Cade Cunningham is back and got 25.6 rebounds and 10 assists. This was a good game. I thought the Hawks was going to steal a victory, but the Pistons were just so good that they held them off and they pulled out the victory. Jalen Duren had 24 and 8 and should be a first-time All-Star this season. The same with Jalen Johnson who had a 25, 8, and 9. Shaquille Alexander-Walker had 24, 3, and 3 and Onyeka Okongwu had 21 points. The Pistons are now in an 11-game win streak. Their next 3 games are against the Milwaukee Bucks without Giannis, the Indiana Pacers, and the Boston Celtics. Spurs beat the Grizzlies 111-101. The Aaron Fox with 26, 1, and 3. But their hero in this game, none other than Harrison Barnes, who scored 7 points in their 10-0 run in the last minute. He ended the game with 23 points. Lakers beat the Jazz 140-127. Luka had 37, 10, and 5, and 4 steals. That is MVP numbers, bro. LeBron had 11 points, 3 rebounds, and 12 assists in his season debut. If you were watching this game, this was an absolute passing masterclass from LeBron James. All those assists were so good. And yeah, this was a great game for LeBron James. And he also passed Reggie Miller in most 3-pointers. And he is now 6th all-time in 3-pointers made. If you are a Lakers fan, you should be very happy. Because the way this Lakers team is playing, they are so good. Especially with LeBron now back. This team is great. Lastly, Suns defeat the Blazers 127-110. Devin Booker with 19, 6, and 5. No player got at least 20 points for the Phoenix Suns.